How to save WhatsApp status video in gallery. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you how to save WhatsApp status video in gallery. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to your account. Tap Updates at bottom left corner of the screen and choose the updates or status that you want to view. Once you have completed viewing the status video or photo, exit from WhatsApp. Now, launch the Files Managers or Files application on your device and select Internal Storage at bottom left corner of the screen. Tap Android. Select Media. Tap on com.whatsapp. Tap on WhatsApp again and the media option. Here, you can easily scroll down and locate WhatsApp video. Tap Send and then select the particular video that you have viewed on your WhatsApp. It will be saved here. So simply, in order to save in your gallery, you need to tap and hold the particular status video, tap three dots at top right corner, tap Copy to. Now, choose DCIM folder. Tap Camera. Now tap Copy Here button, and that file has been copied to your camera. Now you can easily open your gallery and you can see that your WhatsApp status video has been successfully saved on your gallery. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips video. Thank you for watching.